Guess the animal behind this bizarre roar. Listen closely, headphones up. Time's up. What's your call? It's a koala, the chilled Aussie tree hugger. Their males unleash chainsaw-level growls to mark territory and attract mates. Deep grunts rumble at 90 decibels, louder than a lawnmower. That thunder carries half a mile through eucalyptus forests at night. Their inflatable throat sacs work like built-in subwoofers. Did you nail it, or are you mind-blown right now? Drop a koala if you guessed right, and tap follow for daily wild quizzes.